Continue.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, students? I think you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. I am Mahmoud Hassan. Welcome you all to Ahmed Bani Academy online school. Before starting my class, I would like to thank our honorable principal who is always monitoring our class. Dear students, today I am going to take a class, and this class will be for the students of class 8 on English second paper, and the topic will be changing sentence. As this changing sentence is included in class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and also 12. So all the students of class 6 to 12 can enjoy this class, and those who are watching my class just now, please share my class so that many students can enjoy this class. So dear students, without making a delay, I would like to continue my class. So I am going to the screen. Dear students, today's topic is sentence meaning. That means I am going to teach you how to change sentences and sentence meaning, and according to meaning there are 5 kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. There are 5 sentences according to meaning, and the first one, assertive sentence, and we shall discuss about this kind of sentence today. And you see that there are 2 kinds of assertive sentence. First one is affirmative and second one is negative. There are 2 kinds of assertive sentence. First one is affirmative and second one is negative. So dear students, I am going to start my class with the rules with examples. And first rule is the rule of only and alone. That means if we find any sentence with only or alone, we have to use none but to make it negative. That means today I am going to discuss how to change affirmative sentence into negative. And the first rule is the rule of only or alone. And if we get only or alone in affirmative sentence, we have to use none but to make them negative. And let's see some example. First one is only Allah can save us. Second one, Allah can alone help us. And third one, only the graduate should apply. Here there are 3 sentences I have given to make them negative. So dear students, try to answer this question, and that's why you will get 3 minutes. First one is only Allah can save us. Second one is Allah can alone help us, and third one is only the graduate should apply. So as we have to make them negative, we have to use none but instead of only or alone, and the first one is only, so the answer will be none but Allah can save us, and we have used here only none but instead of only. And if we use none but instead of only, it has become negative, and it means a person. That means we have to use none but if it means person. So second one is Allah can alone help us. Here it has been alone has been used here, so we have to use none but instead of alone. So the answer will be none but Allah can help us. And dear students, you can see that in the first sentence only was at first, and we have used none but at first also, but in the second one alone is used in the middle of the sentence, but we have to use none but at first of the sentence. That means none but is used always in the first of the sentence. That's why we have to use none but at first. I think you have understood. And then second one, only the graduate should apply. So answer will be none but the graduate should apply. So these are the answer of the first rules. So dear students, I think you have understood this first one, and if you fail to understand, please you can ask me a question. Okay, now I am going to the second one. The second rule is also using only, and we have to use nothing but instead of only if it means thing. We used none but instead of only or alone if it means person. Now it means, or they mean things, that's why we have to use nothing but instead of only. So dear students, you can try to answer this question, and that's why you will get 2 minutes. First one is only the moon was visible. Second one, she has only 2 dolls. And third one, I have only a pen. So dear students, now I am going to give the answer of this question. First one, only the moon was visible, so the answer will be nothing but the moon was visible. We have used nothing but instead of only. Dear students, those who have joined just now, I would like to inform you that today we are discussing changing sentence, how to make affirmative sentence into negative. That's why we are discussing these things, and we are in rules number 2. Second question, she has only 2 dolls. Now the answer is she has nothing but 2 dolls. We have used nothing but instead of only. And dear students, you see that we have used only just, we have used nothing but just only and in the middle of the sentence. And then I have only a pen. So answer will be I have nothing but a pen. And nothing but is used instead of only. That means this sentence has these sentences have become negative. Dear students, this is the rules number 2nd, and I have completed this one. I think you all have understood. If you fail to understand, you can comment here, and I will try my level best to answer your question. Okay. So dear students, now I am going to the third one. Here we have also only in affirmative sentence, and we have to use not more than or not less than instead of only or instead of only. We can use 2 words here, not more than or not less than. Any one we can use instead of only if it means number. Okay, first one was person, second one was thing, and third one was about number. If we get number or age, we have to use not more than or not less than. And these questions, there are 2 questions here. Jerry was only 4, she is only 20 years old. That means 2 sentence means the age of 2 persons. So we have to use not more than or not less than. So dear students, you will get 2 minutes, and now I am going to see how many of you have joined with us. Here some of you have joined with me: Nahidul Islam, Nijwa Singh, Sharmin Akhtar, Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam, Shumi Rahman, Assalamu alaikum sir, name Esha. Okay, thank you. Then Jakia Khatun Afifa of class 8. Then Ruhul Amin Munna, that means our ex-student. Sotobelar kotha mone pore gelo. Thank you so much, Munna, as you have joined with us. And another one is Shumi Rahman. Okay. So there are 2 questions here. Jerry was only 4. and the answer will be Jerry was not more than 4, and we have used not more than here instead of only. Now the second one, she is only 20 years old, and we shall make it negative using not less than, and as we have used not more than in the first sentence, we shall try to use not less than in the last sentence here. Okay. And the answer will be, if we use not less than, so what will be the answer? Is there anyone to answer? Sharmin Akhtar is very active. Can you answer this question? And dear students, can you hear me and can you look at the screen clear, please? Is the class clear? Okay, so if we use not less than, the answer will be, she is not less than 20 years old. And we can use also not more than here. So anyone you can use to make them negative. So this is the third rule, dear students. And now I am going to the next rule, and the rules number 4. And you see that in affirmative sentence, if we get must or have to, we can use cannot but or cannot help. These two rules we can use instead of must or have to. And I am going to give you some questions, and here there are 3 questions. You must obey your parents. Second one, you must respect your teachers. And the last one, you have to do this work. These 3 questions here, and you have to use cannot but or cannot help instead of must. And can anyone try to answer? Dear students, this is the rules of must or have to. We have to use cannot but or cannot help instead of must or have to. So let's try to answer these questions. First one, you must obey your parents. So answer will be, we have to use must, and we have to use cannot but instead of must. So answer will be, you cannot but obey your parents. Okay, dear students, this is the answer of the first question. Now I am going to give you the answer of the second question. And second question is, you must respect your teachers. Now I am going to use cannot help here to answer this question. We shall use 2 kinds of answer. For the second one, I am going to answer using cannot help. And dear students, can anyone tell me the answer of this question? Anyone else? Okay, dear students, I am going to give you the answer of the second question. You cannot help respecting your teachers. Dear students, you just look at the screen. Here I have add ing after verb. Yes, this is the difference between 2. If you use cannot help, you have to add ing after verb. But if you use cannot but, you cannot add ing with verb. Then it would be, you cannot but respect your teachers. And as I have used cannot help, I have to use ing with verb. Okay, this is the difference between cannot but and cannot help. So dear students, let's go to the third one. And third question is, you have to do this work, and we have to use cannot but instead of have to. So the answer will be, you cannot but do this work. And if you use cannot help here, I am going to tell you the answer orally, and sorry, the answer will be, you cannot help doing this work if you use cannot help. Okay, dear students, these are the answers of the rules number 4, and I think you all have understood this one. If you use but you cannot use ing after verb, but if you use cannot help, you have to use ing after verb. Okay, so I think you have understood this well. Now go to the next rule. Now the rules number 5. This is the rules of every. That means here sentence will be started with every, and I have given you 3 sentences using every. The first one is every mother loves her child. Second one, everybody hates a liar. Third one, every man has an aim in life. These 3 sentences here for you. And if we make them negative, we have to use there is no ... but instead of every. Dear students, just look at the screen and listen to me. I am describing the rule. Here the every mother loves her child. So answer will be there is no, and in this blank between no ... but, in this blank you have to use the word after every. That means here mother, then body, then man. These words will come here to make this sentence. So dear students, look at the first one, then it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, and if you fail to understand, please comment me and I will try my level best to answer your question. Okay, so let's go to the answer. First one, every mother loves her child. So answer will be there is no mother but loves her child. You have to write down there is no at first, then the word after every. Here the word is noun is mother, so it has come here. There is no mother but, and the rest of the sentence will be written down then. That means there is no mother but loves her child. So dear students, in this way you can answer the next 2, and that's why you will get 1 minute to try to answer these questions. Dear students, second one is everybody hates a liar. So here the word after every is body, so this body will come here after no and before but. We have to write down this body. So the answer will be there is no body but hates a liar. Dear students, for your better understanding, I have written down these answers with colored words. Summers, blue summers, pink, for your better understanding. So last one here, every man has an aim in life. So here the word after every is man. So this man will come here after no and before but. This in this gap the man will come to complete this answer. So the answer will be there is no man but has aim in life. These are very easy questions. So there is no man but has aim in life. Dear students, these are the questions of rules number 5, and it was the rules of every, and we have to use no, there is no ... but to answer this question. Okay, now dear students, I am going to the next one, and again I would like to tell you that if you fail to understand, you can comment me and I will try my level best to answer your question. Okay, so dear students, next one, the rules number 6, and this is the rule of that means it is in superlative degree. This is the rules of a superlative degree, and it has come as an affirmative sentence and we have to make it negative. And as the sentence is in superlative degree, okay, look at the questions. Raju is the best boy in the class. Second one, Shaju is the tallest boy in the class. These are affirmative sentence, and at the same time these are degree also superlative degree, and if we make this superlative degree into positive degree, then they will be negative. Is it clear? That means the sentences are in superlative degree if you make them positive degree, then they will become negative. So negative will be with no other dot dot, so dot dot as. This is the structure of positive degree. So I am going to give you the first answer. Raju is the best boy in the class. At first we have to write down no other. Then after best or superlative form, the words are boy in the class. So no other boy in the class. Then we have to use the verb. No other boy in the class is so good as Raju. At last we have to use the subject. So dear students, and from the first one, gaining the experience, you can do the second one, and you can try to answer this one. That's why you will get 1 minute. Sorry. So as the question is, Shaju is the tallest boy in the class, and this is in superlative degree. We have to make it positive to make it negative. So the answer will be no other boy in the class is so tall as Shaju. Like the first one, I have given you the last answer. No other boy in the class is so tall as Shaju. So dear students, now I am going to the next one. I think you can understand the question number, rules number 6. So I am going to the next one, rules number 7. The rules is as soon as dot dot comma. That means you will get as soon as dot dot comma in affirmative sentence. To make it negative, you have to use no sooner had dot dot. And then that means you look at the screen clearly. Instead of as soon as, you have to use no sooner had, and instead of comma you have to use then it will be very easy for you to understand. I am going to tell you again. You have to write down no sooner had instead of as soon as, and then instead of comma, and everything will be okay. So look at the questions. As soon as we reached the station, the train left. And second question, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. And these two questions are in affirmative form, and we have to make them negative using no sooner had dot dot then. Again I am going to tell you that you have to write down no sooner had instead of as soon as, and then instead of comma. Then the answer will be very easy. Okay. So the answer will be the first question. No sooner had we reached the station, then the train left. Look at the answer. Here I have written down no sooner instead of as soon as, then we reached the station, and then instead of comma. Okay. Then the train left, Nothing have been changed here. Okay. Now I am going to the next one, and the next one is no sooner had the thief seen the police, then he ran away. Just like the first one, I have written down no sooner had instead of as soon as. The thieves, here subject thief, and I have written down here seen, but it was saw. And just look here, this is the most important thing here. That means as we have written down using no sooner had, this is in past perfect tense. That means after had we have to use B3. That means B3 of saw. We know the three forms of see, saw, seen. So we have to use here seen the police, and we have to write down then instead of comma. So dear students, I think you all have understood. If you fail to understand, again I am going to tell you to question me, to comment, so that I can answer your question. Okay, dear students, now I am going to the next one, and the next one is rules number 8, and the rules is 2.2, and this is in affirmative form 2.2, and we have to use so that to make it negative. And look at the structure of so dot dot that. After that we have to use subject and then cannot or could not plus B1. That means we have to use cannot if it is present tense, and if we have to use could not if it is past form. Okay, look at the questions. I have written down only 2 questions here. He is too weak to work, and we have to use so instead of to. So the answer will be he is so weak, and I have written down that instead of to. Then I have to write down subject here he, and then we have to use anyone, cannot or could not. As the sentence is in present tense, he is so weak, we have to use cannot. We have to use cannot. So the answer will be he was so poor that he cannot. First one, he is so weak that he cannot walk. And second question, she was too poor to buy a shirt. And the answer is she was, and we have to use so instead of to. Then poor will be poor, and we have to write down that instead of to. And then we have to write down subject according to the structure of so dot dot that. Then subject, after subject we have to use cannot or could not. As the sentence is in past indefinite, we have to use could not. So the answer is she was so poor that she could not buy a shirt. Dear students, I think you have understood. And now I am going to the next one, question number 9. And you see that the affirmative, in affirmative sentence we will see as dot dot as. In affirmative sentence, if you want to make it negative, you have to use not less instead of as, and then instead of as. Again I am going to say you have to write down not less instead of as, and then instead of as, then it will be negative. And the questions are, Rani is as beautiful as Salma. And second question is, Rohim is as intelligent as Karim. And we shall write down the answers easily. First one, Rani is not less beautiful than Salma. Dear students, look at the screen. I have written down not less instead of as, and then instead of as. Nothing will be changed here. So the answer will be very easy. Rani is not less beautiful than Salma. And the last one, Rohim is as intelligent as Karim. So answer will be Rohim is not less intelligent than Karim. This is the easiest one, just like the first one. Not less intelligent than Karim. Rohim is not intelligent than Karim. Dear students, this is the rules number 9, and I am going to the last one. Last rules of affirmative negative, and this is the rules of less dot dot then. Less dot dot then. Less dot dot then, and we have to use not so instead of less, and as instead of then. Okay. So the questions are, Reena is less beautiful than Meena. Second one, Raju is less intelligent than Shaju. These are the questions, and we can easily write down the answer using not so dot dot as. So dear students, look at the screen. The first answer will be Reena is not so beautiful as Meena. Here I have written down not so instead of less, and as instead of then. Just like the first one, you can write down the answer of the second question also. Here the question is, Raju is less intelligent than Shaju. So the answer will be Raju is not so intelligent as Shaju. Raju is not so intelligent than Shaju. So dear students, these are 10 rules today for you. This is all about today, and I have discussed with you how to change affirmative to negative today, and I have discussed 10 rules today. And if you practice these rules regularly, I think you will be perfect in changing affirmative to negative. So this is all about today. Thank you so much for joining with me, and I think I will again come here with a new class in another day. Till then, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.